Hello, Gary here from Hello Inspections. I want to show you the workflow for setting up a report with an inspection agreement, how the customer portal works and how to publish a report. So jumping into the app, we start a report by tapping New or duplicating a template. On the General tab, fill out the basic details. Up here for inspection agreement, select include with this report and tap save. If you're not using inspection agreements, just select not applicable and tap save. Behind the scenes, that's created a pre-inspection agreement and a report, and we just need to send the customer portal link to the customer. So down the bottom here, we tap send customer portal link. We see this screen, which looks a bit like an email form. Here we can add recipients to send to and CC. This is useful if we want to include people other than the customer, such as buyer's agents or real estate agents. The default recipient is the customer, and we have these handy buttons to add customer to the list and ourselves to the CC list. We can also type or paste an address in the box. Hitting return confirms it. The email body can be updated and we can save it as a default. Tapping send obviously sends to the customer and they'll receive something like this. We also see these statuses down here which indicate the customer portal is enabled. We currently have online payments disabled, so this is saying payment has not been requested. From the customer's perspective, they see this, and this is their one-stop shop for everything they need for this inspection. On the Agreements tab, we can see this agreement is sent. When the customer accepts it, it'll be reflected here and in the report. So let's do that now. On the customer portal, the customer clicks View and Sign, scroll to the bottom and click Accept. And it's reflected in the app. Now let's have a look at the customer portal options. Email communication. This is another place you can update that default email text that gets sent to the customer. Online payment switch. Here you can enable online payments. Doing so will change the customer portal to look like this. If you want to learn more about online payments, please check out the video on it linked in the description. You can unlock the report here too. This is for when you may want to publish the report but not allow the customer to view it until they've paid. Enable or disable Ask About Report feature. Turning this on will reveal the option to ask about the report. And you can view the customer portal to see what the customer sees at any time. Once you start working on the report, the status will change to in progress, which looks like this. And when you're done, it's time to publish the report. So hit publish here and you'll see a similar screen to before. This process makes the report available for viewing through the customer portal. It also sends an email to the recipients here, notifying them that the report is ready. Like before, you can update the email body and save it as a default. We hit publish and take a look at the portal. The customer can now view the report. If we sent the link to an agent, they'd be able to do the same. Now, if you want to set default values for enabling parts of the customer portal, you can do so here. Note that these will just override the defaults. You can still enable them at report level. Hope this helps you to understand the customer portal, and if you have any questions, please reach out.